Hey, it's Julie with Purple Monkey Manor. I am in my office, the car, while I sit outside of a class or practice thing. I am very excited to be a part of DIY-aGoGO. Thank you for hosting me. I'd like to show you how to create these cute little pumpkins. Cheap little pumpkins. Stick around to the end and I'll show you the cost breakdown. Visit the Purple Monkey Manor YouTube channel for tutorials on these other cute little ghouls, ghosts, Frankensteins, black cats, and mummies. I started by taking landscape timbers and cutting 3 blocks, one at 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. I'm using DIY paint in black velvet to darken the edges so that when I put the orange on and distress it, you'll see that black coming through, which gives it nice dimension. The pumpkins are painted in DIY Paint's Summer Crush. I designed my own stencil for the faces. I reached out to an Etsy seller who would do a custom stencil. I liked painting with the cotton swabs because it gave me round edges from the beginning. I'm using DIY Paint liquid patina to seal each pumpkin. I'm using 3 different types of ribbon. 2 of the thinner ones to make the leaves, and the wider one made the stems. I cut each ribbon to approximately 12 inches, maybe closer to 14. I stacked the 3 ribbons and then tried to eyeball the center of the ribbons over the center of the pumpkin. My orange ribbon was double-sided. I stapled the ribbon to the pumpkin. I put my staples centered once again, about 1 inch apart. I also found out that by adjusting the angle of my staples, I could adjust the way the ribbon would fall, and it made for a nice variety. I tied all 3 ribbons together in a knot at the top of the pumpkin. I then isolated the wider ribbon on each side and pulled those together and tied them for some height to make a stem. I manipulated the 2 more narrow ribbons to make the leaves. I made sure that the green was facing upward on the 2-sided ribbon. I made sure to cut the ribbon in 2 different angles to keep them from looking so uniform. And then I kind of scrunched the wire and the ribbon to make them look more organic. I've been making this sea of pumpkins. Our kitchen countertop has been covered. Don't forget to head over to the Purple Monkey Manor YouTube channel for more tutorials and projects similar to this. I hope you'll subscribe. Hit the notifications button so that you'll know when the next ghoul video comes out.